This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We're going to share with you five of the stories that we're following today. And before we kick off, aside from tariffs, negotiations in the Russia-Ukraine war, and the upcoming U.S.-Canada hockey game, there's a lot going on in the business world. So let's talk about the business world, and we'll give you five quick stories right now. First, Tempest AI, which has been on fire, dropped 8.5% yesterday, but it's still up 142% year to date. Interestingly enough, Tip Ranks, which is one of the firms that follows Wall Street, says that insiders are dumping Tempest AI as the stock hits record highs. So we'll see if that continues on with the insiders dropping the stock. Second, AllianceBernstein, great wealth manager, money manager, with 810 billion in assets under management, is down 2.5% or so year to date, but up yesterday and points up today. Third, KKR is down 5% year to date. The thing that's brilliant about the smartest people in the room is they always figure out how to pivot well when their business is under stress. KKR's assets under management as follows. About 40% of their managements are in traditional private equity. More than that is in private credit. Then they've got another 80 billion in infrastructure and another 80 billion in real estate. So it's amazing how they've moved sort of out of being so focused on private equity into private debt, private credit, real estate, infrastructure. It's fascinating to watch. Fourth, the markets point down a little bit today. We'll see if that continues. And finally, fifth, SoundHound rose 4.3% yesterday. It's down 42.3% year to date, but it's up over 200% over the last year. So those are five of the stories that we're following today. Again, Tempest AI dropped, AllianceBernstein up but down year to date. KKR still down 5% year to date, but really rocking and rolling in some other areas. The market's pointing down a little bit today, and SoundHound is down about 42% year to date, but it's up 200% over the last year. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.